How to subtract mixed numbers with similar fractions. So to subtract whole numbers with similar fractions, so just subtract the whole numbers and then subtract the numerator since they are already similar fractions. Okay, so let's try number 1. So we have 12 and 5 over 8 minus 7 and 2 over 8. So subtract the whole numbers, 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. Just copy the common denominator, 8, and then subtract the numerators. So 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So this is now the final answer. We have 5 and 3/8. Okay, so for the next number, we have 3 and 1/5, 3 and 1/5 minus 1 and 2/5. So hindi natin pwedeng i-directly subtract 3 and 1/5 minus 1 and 2/5 because 1/5 is less than 2/5. So we need to borrow 1. Borrow 1 from 3. So we can rewrite this as 2 plus 1 and 1/5 minus 1 and 2/5. Okay? So 1 and 1/5, and then we will convert this to improper fraction. So let's convert to improper fraction. So we have 2 plus 1 and 1/5 convert to improper fraction. Multiply this. 5 times 1, that's equal to 5. And then, that's equal to 5. And then add the numerator, 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6 over 5. And then now, we can subtract. So, 1 minus 1 and 2/5. Okay, so just subtract the whole numbers now. So we have 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 1. Just copy the common denominator of 5 and then subtract the numerator. So 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. So this is now the final answer, 1 and 4/5. So 1 and 4/5. Okay, so another example. So we have 35 and 11 over 40 minus 7 and 19 over 40. So pag nagsasubtract, always check the numerators. So the numerator of the minuend, yung unang number, kailangan greater than lagi dun sa numerator ng second number natin. Ito yung subtrahend. So 11 minus 19, hindi pwede. So magbaborrow 1 tayo sa 35. So itong 35, borrow 1, gagawin natin siyang 34. Okay? So ito yung shortcut. So yung binarrow 1 natin sa 35, yun ay gagawin nating 40 over 40. Ito yung 1. Since 1 equals 40 over 40, ipinaris natin sa denominator ng fraction natin na 11 over 40. So, i-add natin yung 1 na binarrow natin sa 34 sa fraction natin na 11 over 40. Okay? So, 40 plus 11 over 40, that is 51 over 40. So, isulat na natin dito, 51 over 40, and then minus 7 and 19 over 40. Okay? So, nag-borrow 1 lang tayo sa 35, kaya naging 34, tapos kinonvert natin sa improper fraction, kaya naging 51 over 40. So, now, let's subtract the whole numbers, 34 minus 7, that is equal to 20. 34, so minus 3 yung 30, so that is equal to 27. Okay? So 34 minus 7 is 27. Subtract the numerators, 51 minus 19. So 51 minus 19, we have 11. This will become 4. So therefore, that is equal to 4 minus 1. So we have 3. 11 minus 9, that is equal to 2. Just copy the common denominator, 40. And then, we can reduce this to lowest term. 32 and 40, what is the greatest common factor? So, these are both divisible by 8. So 32 and 40, divide both by 8. So the final answer is 27 and 32 divided by 8, that is equal to 4. 40 divided by 8, that is equal to 5. So the answer is 27 and 4/5. Okay? So try nyo naman ang number 4. Comment nyo ang inyong sagot.